Magicreate, and I know I haven't released very many videos in the past few weeks, and that's because I've been working on this amazing, huge new project, which is Adam Savage's $5 sword. So, I just got the idea from Adam Savage, of course. I've linked his video in the description below, and while you're waiting for me to construct my sword, you can go maybe even make this yourself, along with Adam Savage's $5 sword tutorial video. So I'm just going to be making Adam Savage's $5 sword, which took a while. I am now done, as you can see, but I'm just going to have to edit the video and make it and everything, so that might take a few days. But for now, check out Adam Savage's video and check out this awesome sword I have made. The video I will be releasing won't be a tutorial, it'll just be me making the sword. So this turned out really awesome, and hopefully I'll have the video for the sword completely uploaded soon enough. See you soon.